Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aditya Surya Pramana from University Abdurrahman Saleh Situbondo. Today, I would like to present about the use of swear word in the motivation factor by main character in the underdog. The first one, we got introduction. In communication, human beings exhibit various ways to express their emotion. One of them is through the use of swear word. Human being is use such word not only when they are angry but also when they are joyful. Swearing is common in a movie, just like in real life. For modern movie, swear word can make a character feel genuine and also help the audience empathize with them. From the movie, we learn that swear words are not always bad. It depends on the context put them in. The movie demonstrates that swearing emphasizes emotion closeness, humor, and cultural expression, particularly in informal conversation among friends or family. The importance of studying swear words help us to understand the way language can be used and express emotion, building of social relationship, reflecting the value of the culture. Next, we have a theoretical framework. Expletive swearing involves swearing but not directly against someone, not necessarily mean to offend anyone but content types of swearing. An expression of personal emotion like anger, surprise, and frustration. The second, we have the types of swear word considered in this study is abusing swear word. Swear word is swear word to use express emotion, especially target toward other. It's direct category from a swearing, but can also include name calling, insult, and verbally abusive language. The third, we have a humorous swearing, consists of swear words that are used to express feeling that directly addressed to the person. Swearing of this kind of not necessarily aggressive to offensive and can actually be funny or playful. The fourth, we have auxiliary swearing, is a type of swearing that isn't directly at a person or situation and isn't always hosted or obscene. It does not have to be serious but can be funny, playful, or artistic. Next, we have a factor of swearing. Swearing is tied to how neurological factor is swearing is that how to our brain work with emotion and language. Part of the brain, including amygdala, appear to especially involved with emotion response individual word. Certain conditions such as Tourette syndrome or brain injury can lead some individual to swear uncontrollably. The third, we have a psychological factor. Swearing is also affected by one of personality and mood. Psychological factor for swearing is directly associated with a swearing are anger, redundancy, and sexual anxiety, verbal aggressiveness, individual with affiliate anger and verbal aggressiveness swear due to various more often. And the last we have a social cultural factor. Swearing is product of sociality and culture. It depends on the context, the player, and the expectation. The perspective and acceptable swearing vary widely between culture and the context. The more likely to be seen rude or unacceptable is some that in others. People also have different swearing depend on their in culture such a friend or authority figure. This one we have a preview study. The first one we have a Melanie with the title types used in a Bad Santa movie. The second, we have Santika with a title, types, and function of swear word used in American sitcom How I Met Your Mother in season 1. The third, we have Wernie, the title, taboo, exam is condition and observance in American English. And the last, we have for the host, entitled Swearing in by Psychosocial Perspective. And next, we have a method. This study used a descriptive qualitative method to analyze the type and a factor or swear word of the main character in the underdog movie. The research data in the study are the swear word in the form of single word or past sentence that are spoken by main character. The, the theory of the types of swear word used in the theory of Anderson and Turkey. And for the factor, we have of swear and the factors of swearing use the theory of the J and Jansowitz. In addition, also use Spratly theory of data analysis technique. There are four steps according to Spratly theory. Those are domain analysis, taxonomic analysis, componential analysis, and culture theme analysis. The first one is domain analysis is about calling culture domain on meaningful categories that include smaller but related concepts. Also, domain analysis is separating data from other information. This is helpful move to understand what data or not. Research use domain analysis to determine which type and factor of swear word are related. The second, we have a taxonomic analysis. Taxonomic analysis is ethnographic research is used to define and classify a relationship of element in a culture domain. In the process, grouping in the or concept is similar meaning called including term in the height or other categories called cover a term. This process can help a researcher understand to how people classify and related different concepts in the culture. The third, we have a componential analysis. It's a ethnographic research defined method used to identify and compare the components of meaning in culture domain. Component analysis can help researchers to understand types related to factor in swear word based on their categories. The last, we have a culture theme analysis is in integrating the domain to identify common pattern use of domain analysis, taxonomic analysis, and componential analysis to build clearly relationship and understanding. And move on to resolve and discussion. This section describes the resolve and discussion of the research on types and factor of swear word that used by the main character, namely Jason. The researcher provide of data regarding to types and factor how the main character use swear word based on the topic and context when have a conversation. Here's some example from taxonomic analysis, and this is for componential analysis. We have 33 total. And move on to conclusion. And we have a conclusion. Swear words are not always intended for the purpose of cursing or often or to imitate other. The word themselves still may be the same as word, so their meaning and impact to vary greatly. In the last, we have a suggestion for future researcher to select object that can be better support all types and factor being analyzed. Researchers also suggest to scriptwriter to consider an increase the amount of humorous swearing in the movie so that sense of humor is more intense. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.